In this video, I'll teach you how to use Chatgpt with Discord. If you want to integrate Chatgpt into Discord and add in a chatbot, let me show you the exact process that you need to follow. Now, firstly, make sure that you are logged into your Discord account on this particular browser, and then you can now search for Discord bot list. This is the website that lets you find out or get invited to all of the bots that are available. Inside of this website, you'll see a search bar, search for ChatGPT, and it's going to show you a bunch of lists. You can pick from other options as well, but make sure to pick with the option with the most number of chats. Once you've now done that, you can click on the view option and then click on invite chat to Discord. This way you'll straight away open up a new web tab and you'll see the section of the invitation. From there, you can easily add ChatGPT as a bot inside of Discord. So that's all there is in using ChatGPT with Discord. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.